This inspection was conducted at UTHM, Pagoh and the homestay area. The purpose was to identify potential occupational safety and health hazards, assess the associated risks and propose suitable control measures. This inspection covered physical basic safety, office safety, maintenance, electrical hazards, and biological hazards. Site observation, evidence collection, checklist evaluation, and the HIRARC method were used through the inspection.
For this methodology part, firstly, we conducted a site inspection at the UTHM Pagoh campus and student hostel area. During the inspection, we observed workspace conditions and collected evidence through photographs and visual documentations. Next, the collected information was then evaluated using a workspace inspection checklist to determine whether the inspected areas comply with safety requirements. After identifying the hazards, we perform a Hirarc analysis, which stands for hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control. The likelihood and severity of each hazard were assessed to determine its risk level. Based on the findings, appropriate recommendations and corrective actions were proposed to reduce or eliminate the identified hazards and improve overall workplace safety.
Basic safety measures are fundamental to preventing accidents and ensuring a secure environment. The first picture presents the no smoking signal, demonstrates compliance with health regulation and help reduce fire hazard. The second picture is the CCTV camera with warning sign, provides surveillance deterring unsafe behavior. Smooth detector and warning sparkler system are also important for early fire detection and suppression. Worker wearing safety helmet show adherence to personal protection equipment standard, reducing the risk and head injury. Construction machine cordon off with rolling type highlight the importance of resisting a shift to hazardous zone. The emergency assist keep clear, ensure safety evacuations route during emergency. Additional measures such as a functional ventilation adjustment system help control smooth and maintain air quality, while a well-maintained fire emergency system demonstrates readiness to respond effectively in case of fire. Office environment demonstrates several important safety aspects. Bright lighting in the office area ensure clear visibility and safe movement for occupied. The second picture is the control entry via warning signal, highlight proper active management, preventing unauthorized entry into existing area. Meanwhile, an organized and clean office area reflects good housekeeping practice, supporting both safety and productivity.
For maintenance, the water dispenser is a good example of proper maintenance. The service shows that the filter have been replaced and upkeep is done regularly. This gives confidence that the drinking water provided is clean and safe for everyone. For physical hazards in workplace, the first picture shows that the cardboard boxes stacked in the corridors block the pathways, making it harder for people to move around. And in an emergency, this could slow down evacuation and put people at risk. And the second picture shows that the drainage cover that's left partially open is also dangerous. It's a tripping hazard that could easily cause accidents if not fixed.
For electrical hazard at workplace, we observe a streetlight pole with exposed wiring and a ceiling cable hanging down. Both are dangerous because people could accidentally touch the wire and get shocked or trip over the hanging cable. These issues show poor electrical maintenance and need immediate repair and insulation. For biological hazard in workplace, we found a large pile of garbage with flies around it. This is unhygienic and can attract pests, spread bacteria, and cause unpleasant odors. Regular waste disposal and proper sanitation are needed to maintain a healthy environment.
Let's go over our safety inspection discussion. First, for physical basic safety, we observe that campus has implemented essential safety measures including no smoking signs, CCTV, smoke detectors, and fire equipment, reflecting strong safety management practices. There is also construction workers wear helmets, and access to hazardous area is restricted. The campus also has clear emergency exits and ventilation systems that ensure effective evacuation and minimizing smoke impact, prioritizing safety for everyone on campus. Second, regarding office safety, we noted bright lighting and clean office area. These practices ensure clear visibility for everyone on campus and keeps workflow productive. They also control access to prevent unauthorized entry. Finally, for maintenance, we observed that water dispensers have updated service records, which keeps the facilities safe and hygienic. However, we also found a few hazards that need immediate attention. First, we have physical hazards like cardboard boxes in corridors that could create trip hazards, especially during emergencies, and open drainage covers that could create trips. Hence, cardboard boxes should be stored properly to keep corridors clear, and drainage covers need to be secured to prevent accidents. Second, there are electrical risks from exposed wires and hanging cables. The exposed wire should be repaired and insulated, and the hanging cable should be secured properly to minimize the risk. Finally, a large pile of garbage poses a biological risk. Waste should be removed regularly and kept clean to prevent garbage build-up and reduce biological hazards.
Next, I will explain the acts, policies, and laws implemented to ensure a safe and healthy workplace. The first is the Occupational Safe and Health Act 1994, or Act 514. Under Section 15 of Bracket 1, employers are responsible for ensuring the safety, health, and welfare of employees at work. Section 24 Bracket 1 Bracket E states that employees must take reasonable care of their own safety as well as the safety of others. In addition, Section 48 Bracket 4 emphasizes the implementation of improvement measures to reduce workplace hazards. The second is the Factories and Machinery Act 1967, Act 139. This act requires workplaces to maintain cleanliness and control biological hazards under Section 56 Bracket C Bracket E. It also requires educate workplace lighting as stated in Section 22 Bracket E Bracket I to provide a safe and comfortable working environment. Lastly, the Fire Services Act 1988, Act 341, focuses on fire prevention and emergency preparedness. It supports the installation of fire safety systems such as smoke detectors, sprinklers, emergency exits, and other fire protection measures. In conclusion, these acts and regulations help create a safer workplace by protecting employees' health and safety while ensuring employers comply with legal safety requirements.
In conclusion, our inspection at UTHM Pagoh campus and student hostel achieved its objective. We found good safety practices already in place, such as smoke detectors, CCTV, and also proper PPE use. However, some hazards were identified, including stacked boxes and an open drainage cover, assessed as medium and high risk under Hirarc. This links to the OSHA Act 1994, the Factories and Machinery Act 1967, and the Fire Services Act 1988. We recommend immediate fixes like repairing drainage cover and long-term measures such as regular maintenance and safety awareness programs to keep the campus safe. That is all from our group. Thank you for your time and attention.